Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the Q card topic of September to December 23 predicted topic. Describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. You should say who this person is, what he or she likes to cook, who he or she cooks for, and explain why he or she enjoys cooking. So let's see the model answer of good band which you can use to improve your speaking and give better answer. I would like to talk about my friend Sarah, who is an exceptional cook and takes immense pleasure in preparing meals for others. Sarah is a close friend of mine, and I have always been impressed by her culinary skills and the passion she puts into her cooking. Sarah has a particular fondness for preparing traditional dishes from various cultures. Her specialty lies in creating diverse and flavorful meals that cater to different tastes. Whether it's spicy Indian curry, a savory Italian pasta, or a hearty American barbecue, Sarah has a talent for mastering a wide range of cuisines. What sets Sarah apart is not just her culinary expertise, but also her genuine joy in sharing her creations with friends and family. She frequently invites people over for dinner, organizing gatherings where she can showcase her latest culinary experiments. Whether it's a casual get together or a special celebration, Sarah is always ready to whip up something delicious for her guests. I think the reason Sarah enjoys cooking for others so much is rooted in her belief that food has the power to bring people together. For her, it's not just about the act of cooking, it's about creating an experience, fostering connections, and making people feel cared for. She finds joy in the smiles and compliments she receives when others savor her dishes, and that genuine appreciation motivates her to continue experimenting with new recipes. In essence, Sarah's passion for cooking is driven by her desire to create memorable moments and strengthen relationships through the shared enjoyment of food. Her dedication to the art of cooking and her generous spirit make her not only a talented chef, but also a wonderful friend who adds a dash of flavors to our lives. So you can see that in the last I have connected the sentences with the usage of word not only but also. You can also make the usage of the word not only but also instead of using the word and. Okay, so this is the end of the answer of the topic that we have discussed today. If you need any help in speaking, do contact us and we will help you out. Thank you.